lift my hands high. With every breath I take, I feel a spark inside. His love surrounds me like the stars in the sky. And every step I roam, I know He's by my side. Thank you, Lord, for grace so pure. Praise God for the joys that He brings. In the struggles of life, He still reigns as King. With a melody of hope, let our voices sing, forever and always to Him we cling. Through the valleys low and the mountains steep, Your presence gives me strength. In You I find peace. With every trial faced, my faith I will keep. Your light guides my way, Your love will never cease. Every heartbeat, I feel Your embrace. Praise God for the joys that He brings. In the struggles of life, He still reigns as King. With a melody of hope, let our voices sing, forever and always to You we cling. Forever faithful, we raise our song. In the ultimate love, we know that leads along. Praise God for the joys that He brings. In struggles of life, He still reigns as King. With a melody of hope, let our voices sing,